What up, y'all? So, got some old HIDs I had laying around. So I'm finna go ahead and get ready to swap these out. And so it's been 2 months. So I can finally go ahead and get rid of these halogen bulbs and grab some HIDs. It's a simple process, and these work just like any other headlights. These got the same bulbs as the factory ones, the H11s. And if you do the high beams, I think those are H9s, I believe. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it right there, but it'll tell you what size bulb it is, H9, H11. So let's go ahead and pop these out. I don't know if y'all remember the other video, but this one, they didn't line up right, so I never did have a screw on this side. So it's just tab here, and same on this side. Screw holes didn't line up, so it's just a tab, but it's enough to hold it in place and it won't go anywhere. So let me go ahead and pull this out and test these out and see if they even work. So give me just a second. Alright, got this pulled out. As always, twist this. I'm gonna have to cut a hole in this for the wires to go through for that ballast, but I'll show you that in a second. Alright, I'm back with my favorite drill bit, and what we're gonna do is just drill a hole in this cap that goes on the back of the headlights, and that's just so these wires can go through, because this will be in the headlight. This plugs up to the plug that's in the headlight, so this will be in there. These wires will come through, hang outside of this, and you can mount this ballast somewhere back in there. And you can see I already got this bulb hooked up, and for whatever reason these didn't have a connector on the end of it, so the wires had the prongs or whatever, so I just got them sitting in here. I'm gonna wrap this up with some tape just to keep it, weatherproof and all of that, and make sure it stays in there. But it's a pretty snug fit already, but I'm gonna just wrap it up in tape to keep it safe. But let's go ahead and cut this up real quick. And the hole only has to be big enough really for one of these to go through, and then once you get one through, you can slide the other one through. It's no problem. But let me go ahead and cut this up real quick. Alright, so just like that, you got your hole. And normally, like if you buy a brand new kit, usually the ones I usually get, they'll come with like the little rubber grommet or whatever. So once the wires go through, the rubber part will go around and seal everything off. So it'll keep it real nice and clean and dry like that. But since I'm using leftovers and all of that, I don't have that piece. So we're just gonna deal with it without it. But shouldn't make a difference. Everything is still gonna be basically sealed and covered up. So should be fine. But let me go ahead and run some tape along these and get them pushed through there. Alright, I got the HIDs in, and I believe these are 8,000 K. So back in the game with the HIDs. So it's been a couple months with these halogens, but I'm back.